And welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a camera shake on CapCut apps. Let's get started. First, open your CapCut, click new project and add the photo that you want to edit. In here I wanna add the photo, but if you wanna add the video, it's okay. And then after this you can click add at the bottom. Now you just click on the photo, and then at the bottom you can click on style and then click camera shake, and then now click clip 2 and then click on the style, click shake again, camera shake again. Okay, click check icon. Now click clip 3 and then click style again, and then click camera shake again. Okay, and then after this you can click check icon at the bottom and play it. And finish. So that's how to add a camera shake on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.